Hi, this is Vaishnavi Rajendran. I am the student of University of SIENA. I am going to present the topic of connecting the rural areas through automated air balloons. Still, there are places in global which disconnected or poorly connected to this world of internet. Example, I can give my own village where we climb trees to get a minute of network on cell phones. About 4 billion people still lack internet access. The use of wireless solution by means of 5G via balloon could be good, especially in some regions. Moreover, deployable balloons could be an interesting approach to provide emergency 5G service in critical areas. Example, natural disaster. India has more than a billion people. However, only 40 million of telephones and 3 million internet connected. Further, these are mostly connected in urban areas. The rural areas are getting left behind the world race towards an information-led global economy. This is a brief map of rural parts of southern India. The black square parts are the place which majority of people enjoying their internet connection, and the small dots are less connectivity to internet. So, my objective is introducing 5G network using with some advancement in loon project in India to connect the rural parts. Loon has taken most essential component of cell tower and designed them to be light and durable enough to be carried by the balloon about 20 km above the edge of the surface. The loon flight system consists of three separate systems. First one, balloon, which is in the size of tennis court. Inside of it there is a smaller balloon. A fixed amount of lift gas inner balloon keep the balloon floating. Releasing outside air to the outer balloon change the density, allowing the system to send when they are needed. So the two balloons work together to control the height of the flight system. Balloon stay in stratosphere between 250 to 300 days. Bus consists of hardware necessary for safe operation, including highly efficient solar panel and the power system and altitude control system of navigation and parachute that deploys automatically to guide for safe landing. Next, payload. It consists of communication equipment required to deliver the connectivity, radio base station and antennas. Now, when balloon is ready to be taken out of service, the lift gas release and parachute automatically deployed to control the landing. When balloon starts to descend from stratosphere, the drones attached to the assembly can be used to navigate the balloon, and it helps them to land in predetermined landing zones. The sends coordinate with the local air traffic control and flight system and safely pre-selected the landing zone. Then the recovery team collect the equipment for reuse or recycle. How does it work? Loon flight system create a network in the stratosphere similar to the ground-based cell towers. The difference is on the ground cell towers are fixed and transmitted their signals to moving cell phones, but unlike the ground-based cell towers, loons are floating cell towers or in constant motion. They act like floating cell towers in the sky, as one float out of range and one float into the range. Each loon connects to simultaneously to the ground and other nearby flight vehicle by linking multiple flight systems together, loon-based webs of connectivity that provide brilliant connectivity coverage over vast geographical areas. And the interesting thing about loon flight system will travel the countries around the world rather than the flight against wind current. Flight system move up and down until they will find a favorable current. Predictive model of the winds and autonomous decision-making algorithm help this flight system continuously find the right wind pattern to efficiently complete the mission. And they are really good at predicting the wind current and controlling the balloons. This idea is cost-effective and it is suitable for the unconnected rural parts with a proper internet and cell service. Share the idea and connect the unconnected. Thank you.